The hardest part of any habit isn't doing the work, it's the first 120 seconds. That moment where you know what you should do, but you don't do it. That's not laziness, that's activation energy. Just like a rocket burns most of its fuel at liftoff, habits require the most effort at the start. Once you're moving, continuing is easier than beginning. That's why Lesson 5 is the 2-minute entry ramp. Any habit can be scaled down to the smallest possible start. Read for an hour becomes read one page. Write code becomes open the IDE. The goal is not to finish the task. The goal is to master showing up. Starting lowers friction, and momentum does the rest. This is how you beat Akrasia, the ancient human tendency to act against your own judgment. But there's a trap here, and that's Lesson 6, motion versus action. Motion feels productive, but it doesn't create results. Planning, researching, watching tutorials, reorganizing notes, that's motion. Action is the thing that actually moves the needle. Writing the paragraph, running the tests, doing the set. Motion is comfortable because it avoids failure. Action is uncomfortable because it counts. To reliably choose action, you need implementation intentions. Don't say, "I'll work out later." Say, "At 7 a.m. in my living room, I will do 10 minutes of mobility." When you define the when, where, and what, you remove decision-making from the moment. You've already decided. The behavior runs on if-then logic. Now, here's how unsexy work becomes repeatable. Dopamine isn't pleasure. It's the brain saying, "Do that again." Your brain releases it when you close small loops. So design tiny finish lines. Start with the 2-minute ramp. Do real action, then immediately mark progress. Check a box or acknowledge the win. You're not rewarding outcomes. You're rewarding showing up. And that's how habits stick.